Okay, y'all, so I did my deep conditioning, my oil treatment, everything, and I thought I was done, but I'm not. After I did the hot oil treatment, I washed my hair, and I was kind of, you know what I'm saying, faded in the shower. So I was just going dumb with the shampoo, so I feel like I washed every little piece of goodness out. But my hair still feel soft, it still feel better. Way better than it did, and it looked better, smell better too. But I'm just not satisfied with how moisturized it feels. My hair is coming out. Like I feel like the moisture just added the slip that my hair needed to go ahead and just slide on out the lot. But we're gonna say everything we can, and we're gonna try to grow these to this length by the end of April, and we're gonna try to so if we growing these to these, that's this much growth. So that means these that's already long need to be in my cap when I sit down. Anyway, so on this journey of finding the perfect moisturization for my locks, I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna try Donna's recipe, which is Tabitha Brown's hairline. And y'all know Tabitha and her air fry and her veganism. Do I really need to explain why I like her? Anyway, apparently all of it is sweet potato pie based or sweet potato based or whatever, because this says sweet potato pie, extra creamy leave-in conditioner. I don't know if that means that it got sweet potatoes in it, or do it just smell like sweet potato pie? Let me see. No, it has sweet potato in it. The sweet potato extract is like the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8th ingredient. And I was actually expecting it to not have so many ingredients. Like, I thought it was going to be like, you know, as natural as possible. Okay, so I'm gonna give y'all some close-ups of the bottle later, because I know it's not focused right now. I just got the leave-in conditioner. It was $15. The oil I wanted was a strengthening oil, and it was $25, and I just wanted to make sure I even liked it, because it could smell bad, it could be anything. I don't know. I didn't even smell it in the store. You can't smell it, you gotta open it. It says made with real sweet potatoes, stirred with vanilla, and sprinkled with warm cinnamon. So she really wants this to be like some sweet potato pie. I don't know. Perfect hair recipe for nourishment and moisture for hair and scalp. I'm just read some of the top ingredients on here. Well, not top, but like natural ingredients on here. The sweet potato extract, maple sap, cinnamon. It's like just those are really the top ingredients, y'all. Like sweet potato pie, she is not lying. This is like sweet potato pie. Sunflower seed oil, shea butter, avocado oil, vegetable oil, mango seed butter, cocoa seed butter, vanilla fruit extract, citrus lemon juice, almond oil, almond milk, sativa, Avena sativa. I don't know what that is, but it's been in a lot of these hair products I've used. Coconut fruit extract, coconut milk, castor oil, rosemary leaf extract. It's a lot of alcohol in here, I'm noticing that. It's a different types of alcohol in here. I don't know if that's good or bad. I don't really know about them ingredients, so that's why I'm not saying. Glycerin is in here. Yeah, that's basically all the good things I see. The perfect recipe for healthy hair and scalp. Sweet potatoes packed with vitamin A and omega-3 fats add luster by nourishing the hair follicles and the hair. Cinnamon removes buildup from the scalp and allows for healthier follicles and overall hair and scalp health. Vanilla soothes the scalp and softens dry, rough hair. So I guess those 3 ingredients are, you know, the active ingredients up in here. So she said, a dessert for your hair. Donna has done it again with this made in heaven sweet potato pie leave-in conditioner recipe that your scalp and hair are sure to love. Spoil yourself with Donna's signature creamy, rich, sweet aroma leave-in. It says you can apply to wet or dry hair. She said no need to rinse. Very good. Enjoy and go about your business. Anyway, y'all know I love her, but let's try it. I don't have nothing in my hair right now. I sprayed a little water on it earlier. I'm going to go ahead and spray this on here just because I know she said you could apply it to dry hair, but I just feel like water is the #1 moisturizer, so why not just base it with some water. And it got oil in it, so go ahead and lock that in there. I know I said a little bit. And she really kind of damp now. Not that much. It's not that much. Anyway, and y'all know I really be gravitating toward expensive hair stuff because I just feel like when it's expensive, is this stuff getting on my camera? I just feel like when stuff is expensive for your hair, that means it got real food in it, like real ingredients in it. So I'm not even mad about it. And plus her name sells, so why not? Smell like, I want to say it smells like sweet potato pie. Like I smell the sweet potato pie ingredients, but it's really smelling like, I don't know. Definitely smell like some kind of dessert. And I do smell sweet potatoes. I'm just gonna put a little in my hand so I can feel it. This is the consistency. This is the consistency. I be missing my scalp when I do when I put leave-in in. Put it on my hair first and then come into my scalp, and it's just a habit of mine to be rough in my hair. Like I always been rough in my hair. I'm trying to gentle up. Y'all see how much new growth? And I'm not about to retwist it because I need to about to put my faux locks. Ooh, that one look kind of rough though. Go ahead, twist it up a little bit. I'm gonna speed through this so I can stop talking. Cause I'm been talking long ass. It does seem like I'm using a lot. It do smell like somebody's grandma cooking dessert. I actually did put a light so I was sitting on there all white. It's kind of white, but I don't care. Use this last little bit to go ahead and put on my scalp. And I'm gonna put all this in a spray bottle before I do my hair with the hairstyle I'm doing. I lost another one. It's not that long, so I'm not too hurt, but I get hurt every time. I'm just coming to grease with it because y'all know they say you gotta cut the bad hair out to grow it and all that shit. So shit, I'm just gonna come with the fucking territory. Okay, that's it. That's all I'm putting in here now because I ain't spent $15 for one night. It really already feels soft. Now I'm not on no ass kissing shit. It already feels soft, I promise. But yeah, I'm gonna let it dry and everything and come back right before I put my locks in, and then I'll come back for a part 2 to give y'all like how long the moisture stayed while my hair was up in the style and all of that type of stuff. I love the way it smells. I love the way it feels. It don't feel sticky. It don't feel greasy. It feel like straight moisture. It feel like straight lotion. I'll make a part 2 video where I explain how it feels after I took my locks down. Like, did it hold the moisture the whole time the hair was in, or you know, anything like that. My overall reviews will be in a part 2. See how it is in the morning, and then do my hair tomorrow. Ooh, already, it feels good already. Okay, I'm about to go get something to eat and edit this other video so y'all can get this deep condition and hot oil treatment video. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and edit that. I'm sorry, I'm discombobulated. I got so much, I'm doing so much, but I'm not uploading nothing. I'm just trying to get the right time and get everything I want in a certain video, but I might just chop it up and do it in different videos. Anyway, that is it. That is all. If you enjoyed this video, if this video taught you anything, or if you need to teach me anything, comment below. And don't forget to rate if y'all liked my reviews, and subscribe if you want to see more of me. See y'all later. Bye.